Croatia is located in southeastern Europe, bordering Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Montenegro, and Bosnia and Herzegovina. The capital city of Croatia is Zagreb, which is also the largest city in the country. Croatia has a population of over 4 million people, with a diverse cultural and ethnic background. The official language spoken in Croatia is Croatian. Croatia has a rich history dating back to the Roman Empire, with many ancient ruins and historical sites scattered throughout the country. The Dalmatian coast of Croatia is famous for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters, making it a popular tourist destination. Croatia is home to 8 national parks, including Plitvice Lakes National Park, which is known for its cascading waterfalls and turquoise lakes. The Croatian currency is the kuna, and the country is a member of the European Union. Croatian cuisine is influenced by Mediterranean and Eastern European flavors, with dishes like cevapi, sarma, and pastakada being popular choices. Croatia is known for its wine production, with many vineyards located along the coast and in the inland regions. The Croatian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, red, white, and blue, with the national coat of arms in the center. The climate in Croatia varies from Mediterranean along the coast to continental in the interior, with hot summers and mild winters. Dubrovnik, a city on the Adriatic Sea, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is often referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic. Croatia is a popular filming location, with scenes from the TV show Game of Thrones being shot in various locations throughout the country. The islands of Croatia, such as Bar, Brač, and Korčula, offer a unique and relaxing escape for visitors looking to explore the Adriatic Sea. Zagreb's upper town is a historic district with cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and medieval churches, making it a charming area to explore. The Istrian Peninsula in Croatia is known for its truffles, olive oil, and wine, making it a foodie paradise for visitors. Plitvice Lakes National Park is home to 16 crystal-clear lakes connected by waterfalls, wooden footbridges, and hiking trails, offering a picturesque setting for nature enthusiasts. The Cathedral of St. Domnius in Split is one of the oldest cathedrals in the world, dating back to the 7th century, and is a popular tourist attraction in the city. The town of Rovinj, located on the Istrian Peninsula, is known for its Venetian-style architecture, colorful buildings, and charming narrow streets, making it a picturesque destination for travelers. The Diocletian's Palace in Split is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best-preserved Roman monuments in the world, attracting visitors from around the globe. Croatia has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional music, dance, and festivals celebrated throughout the country, showcasing the diverse and vibrant culture of the Croatian people. The town of Opatija, located on the Kvarner Bay, is known for its Belle Epoque architecture, seaside promenade, and lush parks, making it a popular destination for visitors looking to relax and unwind. The Blue Cave, located on the island of Bisevo, is a natural phenomenon where sunlight enters through an underwater opening, creating a mesmerizing blue glow that illuminates the cave, making it a must-see attraction for visitors to Croatia. The town of Pula is home to one of the best-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world, known as the Arena, which hosts concerts, festivals, and theatrical performances throughout the year, attracting visitors from near and far. The city of Zadar is known for its Roman and Venetian ruins, medieval churches, and unique art installations, such as the sea organ and the sun salutation, making it a cultural hotspot for travelers exploring Croatia. The Lopud Island, located in the Elefiti Islands, is a car-free oasis with sandy beaches, lush gardens, and historic monuments, making it an idyllic destination for visitors looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The town of Trogir, located on a small island between the mainland and the island of Siovo, is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, narrow streets, and impressive fortress, making it a charming destination for travelers exploring Croatia. The Roman town of Salona, located near Split, is an archaeological park with well-preserved ruins of Roman baths, theaters, and temples, offering visitors a glimpse into the ancient history of Croatia. The town of Motovun, located in the Istrian Peninsula, is known for its medieval hilltop setting, ancient city walls, and truffle festivals, making it a gastronomic delight for visitors exploring the flavors of Croatia. The island of Rab is known for its sandy beaches, historic town center, and picturesque landscapes, making it a popular destination for sun seekers and nature lovers visiting Croatia. The town of Osijek, located in eastern Croatia, is known for its Baroque architecture, historic fortress, and vibrant cultural scene, making it a hidden gem for travelers looking to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations in the country. The Neretva River in Croatia is famous for its delta region, known as the Neretva Valley, where mandarin oranges, watermelons, and other fruits are cultivated, making it a lush and fertile area for agriculture in the country. The town of Varazdin, located in northern Croatia, is known for its well-preserved Baroque architecture, historic castle, and colorful festivals, making it a cultural hub for visitors looking to experience the rich heritage of Croatia. The town of Rijeka, located on the Kvarner Bay, is known for its maritime history, industrial heritage, and vibrant art scene, making it a dynamic destination for travelers exploring the coastal regions of Croatia. The town of Krka, located near Sebenik, is known for its national park, with a series of cascading waterfalls, crystal-clear pools, and lush forests, making it a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts visiting Croatia. The town of Badis, located on the Dalmatian coast, is known for its sandy beaches, lively nightlife, and crystal-clear waters, making it a popular destination for sun seekers and water sports enthusiasts exploring the Adriatic Sea. The town of Nin, located near Zadar, is known for its sandy beach, historic old town, and salt pans, where sea salt is harvested, making it an authentic and charming destination for visitors looking to experience traditional Croatian culture. The town of Stan, located on the Peljasak Peninsula, is known for its historic city walls, salt pans, and seafood cuisine, including oysters and mussels, making it a gastronomic delight for visitors exploring the culinary traditions of Croatia. The town of Paklenica, located near Zadar, is known for its national park, with rugged canyons, limestone cliffs, and hiking trails, offering visitors a challenging and rewarding outdoor experience in the natural beauty of Croatia. The town of Lovren, located on the Kvarner Bay, is known for its historic villas, lush gardens, and sweet chestnuts, which are celebrated during the annual Chestnut Festival, making it a charming destination for visitors looking to experience traditional Croatian culture.